Are you looking for the best woodworking tools under $50? Inexpensive woodworking tools under $50 have become surprisingly capable, enabling hobbyists and DIY enthusiasts to tackle projects without a big upfront investment. This comparison focuses on 5 well-reviewed options across different tool categories that stay within a $50 budget, offering a blend of performance, build quality, and practical utility. My testing approach combines hands-on use in typical workshop scenarios with objective measurements, runtime and noise with the Tino router at its 31,000 RPM maximum.
Product number 1. Tino Wood Router Overview. The Tino 800-watt palm router delivers a compact, corded solution with a 31,000 RPM max and a 15/4 inch or approximately 1/4 inch shaft bit compatibility. It ships with a 15-piece set of 1/4 shank router bits, a straight guide, trimming guide, 2 wrenches, and a few carbon brushes wrapped in an ABS-bodied housing with a transparent base and cover for dust containment. The combination of a fixed base and depth adjustment knob, tool-free claims notwithstanding, is aimed at quick setup and stable operation in small workshops. The price point of $35.99 positions it as a value-forward option in the router category, especially given the included bit set. Performance-wise, the 800-watt motor is adequate for edging, small dados, and pattern work on softwoods and veneers, but it may stall on dense hardwoods or deep hogging tasks. The transparent base and cover improve visibility and dust containment, which aids accuracy in profile routing. Ergonomically, the compact form and rubberized grip help maintain control over extended sessions, though the lighter weight can amplify vibration during heavy cuts. Depth adjustment is described as tool-free, but some users report needing a light touch to secure precise depth after setting. Overall, this router offers decent accuracy for DIY cabinetry, decorative trim, and edge detailing when paired with the included guides.
Product number 2. Corner clamp for woodworking. Overview. This kit includes 4 5.5-inch aluminum right-angle clamps designed to maintain square joints during gluing, assembly, and alignment tasks. The anodized red finish provides corrosion resistance, and the set includes a plastic toolbox, fixing blocks, nuts, and screws. It's intended for picture frames, boxes, cabinets, and drawers, with a clamping capacity up to 3.5-inch thickness. Priced at $39.07, the package targets users who frequently assemble frames or need consistent 90-degree alignment across multiple workpieces. In practice, these corner clamps offer reliable, repeatable squareness thanks to CNC-derived tolerances and sturdy aluminum construction. They're easy to use. Clamp one corner, then tighten with the L-shaped screw to lock in a 90-degree angle. Slight chamfered edges reduce the risk of marring delicate pieces. The included accessories help keep the assembly process organized, and the 4-pack design supports batchwork. If your projects include picture frames, cabinet corners, or drawer assemblies, these clamps deliver consistent results with minimal setup time.
Product number 3. Rui Tool Japanese Hand Saw. 6-inch double-edged sided pole saw, Ryoba, SK5 flexible blade, 1417 TPI flush cut. Overview. The Rui Tool Ryoba is a 6-inch pole saw with SK5 high-carbon steel blade and beech handle. It features dual teeth per edge, 17 TPI for hardwoods, 14 TPI for softwoods, and a 3-edged grinding design for improved chip removal and smoother cuts. The blade hardness is rated HRC 6063, and the saw is designed for flush cuts and finishing work in woodworking projects. The lifetime warranty emphasizes user confidence in the tool's durability, given its budget-friendly price of $19.99. Performance-wise, the pull-cut design reduces deflection and produces finer finishes on precise joineries, miters, and pattern work. The SK5 steel blade balances sharpness with resilience, though aggressive cuts in very dense hardwoods may require more effort and slower feed rates. The beech handle provides a comfortable grip, and the compact 6-inch blade excels in tight spaces or finish trimming. For beginners and hobbyists, this saw is an accessible entry into traditional Japanese cutting methods with consistent, repeatable results.
Product number 4. 3D Multi-Angle Measuring Ruler. Overview.
This 3D multi-angle ruler is a two-piece aluminum alloy measuring tool that expands to measure 45 and 90-degree angles. It combines marking, measuring, and alignment functions in a compact, anodized tool designed for carpenters, engineers, and DIY enthusiasts. Priced at $13.99, it represents a budget option for quick angle checks, layout work, and scribing tasks on round materials or trim profiles. In use, the ruler delivers solid mechanical accuracy for general layout tasks. The anodized aluminum surface resists corrosion and wear, helping preserve scale integrity over time. Its modular design allows operation as a prescriber for miters, bevels, or layout lines, and the included Allen wrench and screws help secure adjustments. For beginners, it's a versatile starter tool. For more experienced woodworkers, it serves as a reliable secondary reference for quick on-site checks or cross-checking other measuring tools.
Product number 5. Wood Carving Kit Overview. This comprehensive beginner-friendly wood carving kit includes 24 pieces, a mix of whittling and detail knives, 4 templates, 6 basswood blocks, a polishing compound, leather strop, and safety gloves, all housed in a premium storage bag. Priced at $23.99, it targets new carvers seeking a complete starter set with project guidance templates and a durable carrying case. Performance-wise, the stainless steel blades with Mauve alloy treatment offer decent edge retention for beginner work, and the 4 style templates help users try multiple patterns without sourcing separate designs. The basswood blocks provide a forgiving surface for learning, while the strop and polishing compound enable basic blade maintenance to extend sharpness. Ergonomics are aided by the included gloves and bag, though the entry-level nature of some blades means edge geometry may vary between pieces. This kit provides strong value for beginners who want a broad, ready-to-use toolkit.